Hi, Diana here. Today I'll be walking you through how to create a member listing on our website and how to make edits to that listing. And the steps are pretty simple, they're pretty self-explanatory and straightforward, but I just wanted to show you where you can find the login so that you can feel a little more comfortable coming in, signing in, and also making edits. So you're going to come to the homepage of the site, which is traffickingsouthwestflorida.org. You can see the app here. And you'll hover over the About Us menu. Don't click on it, just hover. We'll go to Member Directory. Again, just hover over it and click on Add Listing right here. Now, when you get to this screen, you're going to have two options. You can either log in if you're already registered, or you can create a username to go ahead and create your listing. To create an account on the site, the only thing that you need is to enter a username and an email address. The system will automatically send a confirmation link to that email address, and if you follow that link, it will allow you to create a password so that you can manage your listing. So we'll go ahead and get started on that now. Once you've entered both of those, username and email, we'll click Register. And that would immediately log us into the system and take us to the section where we can add our listing. If you can see at the top, it says here that I'm logged in. It says Howdy Test 2. That means you're already logged into the system and you can make edits to your profile. We'll go ahead and scroll down. And the information here is pretty straightforward. When you enter the title, make sure that the title is the name of your agency. In this case, we're going to use Test. Location. You do not necessarily have to enter your full location, but the system will ask you to enter at least a city so that it can find it in the map. So in this case, we'll do Naples, Florida, and we're going to do Find on Map. Once the system finds the address, you can scroll down and move on to the next step and select the category. Now, you can enter as many categories as you want that you see fit for your agencies. There's many categories. There's awareness, law enforcement, prosecution, training, and victim service. Let's say we are an awareness agency. Add more if we need to. Law enforcement. Say you accidentally made a mistake and entered the wrong category. You can see right here, if you hover over this area, you'll get a little cross that will allow you to delete the category that you made an error on. So remove this field. Now the rest is just very straightforward, entering contact, mobile phone number. None of this information is required. We just request that you try to fill it out to the best capacity that you can. You can enter your website, and you can also share social media accounts. So if you're trying to grow your following and social media is important for you, I definitely recommend that you do these steps, but they are not necessary. You can enter a Twitter username, a Facebook, and a Google URL. Last but not least, you can go ahead and create a listing description. And also there's some really cool formatting tools so that you can make it visually appealing as well. You can use bold, italics, pretty simple, similar to a traditional word processor. And in here, you can use this link to attach and link to pages. So for example, if I wanted to link to my organization, all I would have to do would be to select this text right here, click on the link, this will automatically become a hyperlink. Say that for example, you don't want your full link to show, you want it to maybe say click here. You can do edit, link options, and change the link text to click here. Now, I definitely recommend that you set your links to open in a new tab so that users are not confused at the fact that you just took them away from the website that they were on. So we'll click on Open Link in a new tab and Update. And all you get is click here now. Okay, we're almost done. Last few steps allow you to enter photos. These photos can be photos about your agencies. They can be logos. Just keep in mind that they cannot be any larger than 2 megabytes, and that the first photo that you upload will automatically default to your profile photo. So it will be the first photo that people see on the member directory. So we'll upload. You can upload a photo here. Say we want to use this. And once you're done, you can go ahead and submit your listing. You'll get a confirmation page that tells you that it has been submitted. Now, you will not see this automatically on the member directory. And the reason for that is, in order to avoid spammers, we do have to approve that in the back end of the site. But you should have your listing approved between 24 to 48 hours. And I think that that's it. Let us know if you have any questions.